Well, hey, didn't see you there, fam. What's up? It's Jemy. You know me, right? Right? No? Oh, that's cool too. Anyway, I've been a little bit lame in making videos lately, and I apologize for that. So all I have for you guys this week is a video of me solving the Rubik's Cube, going back to my roots, hashtag throwback. A couple of my friends from college wanted to see me solve this, and I never had a 3x3 on hand, so I figured I would just make a video. That way they can see it whenever they want. Whoa. So are you telling me that you're only here to solve 3x3, huh? Well, why don't you solve this one, huh? Solve the 4x4. Sure, yeah, I can solve that for you real quick. No. Solve this one. This one has 5. That one, it'll take me like a few more minutes. No, this one. This one has 6. Oh, this is the 6x6. It's about 5 minutes. No. 7. Oh, it's 7x7? Yeah, that one is about 8 to 10 minutes. It'll take a while, so I don't know if I want to make a video about that. That'd be kind of boring. No. This one. Solve this one. This one has 12 sides on it. What even is this? Oh, the Megamies? Oh yeah, that's easy. Don't even worry about it. That'll take me 5 minutes. I don't know. I want you to solve this one. This one is 2 3x3s together. How do you solve this one? Oh, that. Easy peasy. Oh, I've got a good one. Here, solve this. You can't solve that. No way. This thing. Oh, don't even worry about it. I got you. Okay. Listen, I'm not here to brag. I'm not here to showboat. I'm not here to show you all my puzzles or, you know, get into the details or how many puzzles can I solve in an hour thing. That's not why I'm here. That's bragging. That's showboating. I'm not here to do that, because when you do that, that's when you lose friends. You don't make friends that way. You know what I'm saying? Oh. Is that why I don't have friends? That actually explains a lot. So that average of 5 was a 15.481. It's somewhere around there. I don't know. Yeah. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I'm sorry it's kind of lame. Hope you enjoyed it somewhat. Hashtag throwback, going back to my roots by doing this kind of video, because I haven't done this in a very, very long time. So, hope you enjoyed it. Check out my other videos at my channel, Jemy. If you want to stay tuned for more, hit that subscribe button, and deuces, have a good one. I don't know how to end these videos, so